Hello there, so we're going to go through ascending interval training. It's short, it's sharp, you can use it on spin bikes, ski ergs, row machines, you can use it for exercises, you can use it on a treadmill, though there is a bit of a delay for the spool up time for the belt, so if you are going to use it for any running, actually go and run rather than a treadmill, it will be a little bit more reactive, a little bit better. So ascending interval training, you're going to be doing progressively longer sprints with active rest in between. So to start with, you want to get yourself warmed up on whatever piece of equipment you're going to use. And then your sprints are going to be about 80–90% effort. If you're 100%, you'd be dead. So 80 to 90% is where we want to be going. So it goes, you start off with 0 seconds effort and 60 seconds active rest. So finding a pace and away we go. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a spin bike as it's the easiest. Once you've hit 60 seconds active rest, your next thing you'll do is you're going to put the resistance up and then sprint hard as you can for 10 seconds. Once you've done your 10, you then back the speed off and then back into active rest for 50 seconds. So again, you can do this on a row machine where you sprint fast and slow down. So you do 0 seconds effort, 60 seconds active rest, 10 seconds sprint, 50 seconds active rest, 20 seconds sprint, 40 seconds active rest, 30 seconds sprint, 40 seconds sprint, 50 seconds sprint, which then leaves you with 10 seconds rest. Then finally, a last push of 60 seconds sprint all out. That's quite hard after only 10 seconds rest. If you want to make it easier, just go up to 30 seconds. You go 10, 20, 30 with 30 seconds rest, then 30 seconds again, 20, 10. If you want to make it harder, you can either do it twice through, or you can go for a more pyramid option of you go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. So you go up and down the other side. So give interval training a go. It's very short and it only lasts about 7 to 9 minutes depending on how much rest you have at the end. If you have any questions, let me know.